Alright, let's get into a little bit more detail for this front head part. So first of all, I'm going to add in a 32 side, actually 64 side cylinder over here. Actually, let me pick these two, go to top view with V, Shift A, and 64 side. That way this circle will be exactly aligned with the one underneath it, because we chose these two as our start point. Okay, and then a little bit of a bevel on the bottom. So I'll grab that bottom face and bevel it, dig it in just a bit. I want a little bit of a straight section there. Something like that. I want to redo it. So I'm going to grab this one, Alt-Z to grab all the others, Alt-Z, 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 Control-X, and then B-S. So you can very easily redo stuff if you mess up using Alt-Z. Okay, so now this part, I'm going to go Control-B, Live Subtract. Now this is a live cut here. Very pretty. There it is. And I'm just going to repeat this process a couple more times and get some more cuts going. I can always grab this one and play around with it here, and it updates right away. It's so cool. Alright, so next let's maybe grab a piece over here, Shift A, small cube. Alright, I'm going to press P to separate this onto a new layer or a new object. And that way we can start to go like that. Some more. Up to you. Just do whatever you want here. I just want some more little tiny details. Maybe duplicate that. Shift D to duplicate, right click, R90. Okay, now let's grab this one. Oh, actually, this is being cut by this. So we gotta get rid of that first. So I'll go Control Shift V to bring up the modifiers, Control Shift V, delete that boolean. Alright, now we can grab this one and then this one in object mode. 1, 2, Control B, Live Subtract. There we go. Very nice. Alright, and then maybe, let's see. I'll grab these two top ones once more. Shift A and let's say 24 side or 32. And this one, I don't want it to be cut by the other booleans, so I'll hit P to separate it. And as you can see right now, if I go into object mode, it disappears. So we gotta go Control Shift V and get rid of these other booleans. That way it's not affected by them. Okay, so we know that's in the middle now. And it's up to you how you want to arrange these, but I think that's okay. Let's do another bevel here. Shift A, 24. And maybe for some of these small details you don't want to deal with the live booleans. So another way to do it is we could just kind of get our piece here. I'm holding down Control Shift to go from one side all the way to the other. Control Shift and make a cylinder like this. Alright, so now I'm going to go Control B and subtract. Control B, subtract. That leaves us with these 2 points here. which are the center. As long as I'm in top view and I go Shift A 6, now we got a bolt. All right. So I'm going to go Shift V here, make a new slot. Let's give this hardware. Oh, there's no hardware material. Okay, I'm going to make a new material here for this slot. Oh, actually, oops. Okay, let's rename this. Hardware, enter. Just change the color for a second. Right now we're in solid mode, so we can't see the different materials, but if I hit Z material, now we can see that material. This one, I'll go Shift V and go here, hit assign. So that's just kind of making a material, it's sort of saving your selection into a slot, saying that these faces that you've selected are ready to accept any material that you assign to it now. So this is, when I hit Shift V, this is a blank slot. There's no material on it, so it just gives a default clay. Now if I click on this thing, I can choose something else like GRE, and then here's our glossy gray. I'll just assign that right there. Okay, good. And then this, I'm gonna go Shift X and X. Then you should get that. And we also have some faceting here, so I'll go Z, shade, smooth. That gets rid of that. Okay. I think that's looking better now. All right. I'll see you in the next video.